better to slow down on a curb, like you said.
Absolutely. Slow
Selfish
down
driver.
more.
Because we're going into the 30 now.
Slow down more. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Hold on. That's it.
Just having a problem with the horse.
Yeah, alright. Good. Well done. Relax. Good. Check your mirrors first. And slowly. Gradually and slowly. That was unexpected, isn't it? So always remember, expect the unexpected.
Yeah.
So the way you were going, you should have planned early. Did you saw the horses?
Yeah, I saw the horse, so slow down anyway, because you don't know what the horse is going to do.
Horse rider.
Oh my goodness.
When you were approaching, even though, yes, you're driving in your road, but remember, horse is not a machine.
Yeah, so.
It's an animal.
Yeah.
If you're going to try to go fast, because it was a 40 miles per hour road going to 30, what may happen to the dog? Oh, sorry, dog? The horse.
Well, like it did. It can go into
Well, yeah, so why you think he went over there? Because there was a dog walker there.
Yeah,
and he didn't like it.
Yeah.
But if you would have been going slightly faster.
I could have hit it.
So, did you anticipate it to slow down a little bit more and go past?
No, but I should have, like I do when I slow down to pass cars, I should have slowed down to pass that, just in case something like that happens.
Always remember, anticipate. Observation, anticipation, planning.
Yeah.
3 things happen so far in this just one stretch of the road. This is why this is very important, this lesson for you, okay?
Yeah.